Hey, Joe here from Boulet's Garage. So I'm doing what we call in the business some cleanup work. And it was like last spring, a customer couldn't get into me. I was way too busy to put pads and rotors on the rear of the vehicle. They had someone else do it. I don't know who did it. I don't care who did it, but I'm just pointing some things out that if you're attempting to replace your own brakes, don't make the same mistakes. First thing, all right, so these brake pads are installed wrong. I left this one in here to show you the way it was. That wear indicator needs to be on the inside because this brake pad, the inside brake pad on any front or rear is going to wear quicker than the outside one. So this little piece of metal right here, when that brake pad wears down from the thickness here down to that, it's designed to rub against the brake rotor and make a high-pitched screeching noise. So you pay attention to it and you don't ruin your rotors. If you're driving around with AirPods in or a headset, you're not going to hear it, so you're going to ruin your rotors. The other thing is, so they did not replace the plug that goes over the adjuster window for the parking brake shoes. Now, they threw them away with the old rotors. And on the other side, the brake rotor was installed wrong. This hole needs to be lined up with a special part of the hub so you can adjust through the window. So they actually tried to save some money, I think. And the original complaint was that there was a creaking noise from the left rear. Well, it looks like they found some pins and some boots. These boots do not seal properly. They're supposed to be fixed inside here, and they're not. And it was causing it to move around. Well, there's a lot of play in that pin. So what I think happened is that they just used pins, whatever they could find, and put them in there. Now, if you can get caliper pin replacement pins, but I've done that before with caliper situations like this, and it doesn't take care of it because there's too much wear on the inside of the caliper bracket. So don't make the same mistake. I'm not out to give anybody crap. Whoever did this brake job really tried, but they didn't really pay attention to the way they took it apart. Hey, if you like this video, please do so and subscribe while you're at it. That would be even better. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.